Hi, this is my ProSmart snowblower, 212cc, 26-inch, and I'm going to start this up for the first time this year. Last year I used it a couple times in the snow. I happen to have two small snow blowers right now. The other ones are over there. That's the older one. This one here, I actually bought this at an auction, and it needed a carburetor, and it was missing a couple of pieces. So I went ahead and got this one fixed up. Electric start. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. We'll see if it starts. There we go. I checked the gas. The gas is full from last year. So it's got the old gas from last year. You can check the oil. Don't expect any surprises there. And it's full. So we make sure that the key is in. Set the choke to choke. Give this a couple of pumps. We'll see what happens. This happens because I don't run them dry from gas in the fall after at the end of winter. So I'll just squirt a little bit of starting fluid in here. And once it's been started up here in the start of the winter, it starts up every time. PowerSmart 26-inch, 212cc. Model number PSSHD 26T. Originally, I believe these were sold by Home Depot. They're still available. Thanks for watching.